Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a wash and style day. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I wash my hair, how I style my hair, how I just get my hair together after wearing a protective style for about a month. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, questions, opinions, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm taking this water bottle that I purchased from Amazon. No, it is not a bottle of Jack Daniels, but it do look like one or whatever. But I'm going to take this as well as my apple cider vinegar from Bragg's. And if you guys watch my previous wash day after protective styling, curls popping after protective styling, you guys know I like to do this water and apple cider vinegar mix, which basically helps to break things down so that the hair is nice and prepared before we go into the washing step. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill that water bottle with some water, H2O, and then I'm going to go in with my Bragg's apple cider vinegar and pour a little bit, just a little bit, in with the water. And, you know, make my little concoction, shake, 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 do. So now look at my hair, y'all. I have all of this kwas in front of my hair. This is all of the product buildup from the time when I had my box braids in. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all real quick how I prep my hair before, you know, we get tangled, knotted, and all of that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my hair into quads, just because it makes it easier to make sure that, you know, we're covering each space of our head. We don't have any knots, any tangles, or none of that. We are all good. So I'm just going in and separating my hair with some butterfly clips. And I'm going to go ahead and take my spray bottle and saturate. When I say saturate, do not be stingy. Don't be stingy. Do not be stingy. I'm going to go in and saturate my hair with that apple cider vinegar and water mix. And I'm making sure I get in the parts and all of that. You can separate your hair smaller if you want to. Now I'm going in with my Cream of Nature Prepoo clay mask. You guys, I've had this for so long, and my friend Miza spoke about it, about how amazing it was. And I finally decided, like, let me just go ahead and bring it out, because the smell of the apple cider vinegar is kind of strong. I'm going to say that, even though I did put a little bit. But I feel like when I mixed it with this clay mask, it wasn't as present as it usually is. So, you know, I'm going to have to start doing this more often. But yeah, Miza was not lying when she said that this pre-shampoo clay mask is the truth, because when I tell you guys my curls were popping, but this stuff basically helps to just condition the hair before you go in and actually wash it. And I like to do this especially when I just take down a protective styling, because I just feel like my hair just needs extra TLC. So with me doing the apple cider vinegar rinse and then doing the clay mask, I feel like that was a perfect combo to get my hair nice and prepped before I went in and washed it. And this is about how much hair I lost from 1 quart of my hair, which was amazing. So y'all, look at this. I'm about to show y'all the little magic trick. The quas, spray. And basically what the apple cider vinegar and water does is it helps to break down that gunk that you have like at the root of your braid. So that way when you go in and wash your hair, you don't get as many knots, you don't get as many tangles. Thank me later, sis, because your girl was going through it before I learned this little trick and this little technique. So try it out whenever you take down a protective style. Let me know what you guys think. You guys can try it with the pre-shampoo clay mask. You guys can try it with another Prepoo, whether you do like hot oil treatments or whatever your steez is. Try it out, see what it do, see how it works, because I'm telling y'all that it's gonna work, and it's definitely gonna make a difference before you go in and shampoo your hair. But I just went ahead and did this to each section of my head. Yes, this did take a while, and I did finger detangle as I was going through, because I did find that finger detangling causes less breakage than me going in with like a comb or a brush. So keep that in mind too. But this is what my head looked like after I went ahead and did all of the steps to my whole head. My hair was nice and full. My hair was so soft. My hair did smell a little bit still, but it did go away after I washed it. And yeah, nice and beautiful. Okay, Kendra. Okay, Kensthetic. Okay, hang time. We see you. So now I let that sit in my hair for about half an hour, and we are in the shower with it. because we about to get into it or whatever. So the first thing that I did as always is saturate my hair with a whole lot of water, because our hair needs the humectants, most important humectant, H2O. So I went ahead and saturated my hair with water, and then I went in with the Cream of Nature Soften and Moisture Replenish shampoo. This is from their clay and charcoal collection. Never tried this before, but it worked so well. I was just like, yo, I've been sitting on these products for this long, like this long. So I went in and shampooed my hair, and you guys, this shampoo did such an amazing job refreshing my hair after that clay mask, the pre-shampoo clay mask, and after the apple cider vinegar. After I did shampoo my hair, I did notice that the smell of the apple cider vinegar was not present anymore. This shampoo doesn't have a heavy scent, so I will note that as well, because I know some people are usually like, oh, what does it smell like? It's clay, it's charcoal, but it just smells like a soft, clean scent. I don't really know how to describe it, but yeah. And yeah, my hair was extremely dirty, and this shampoo did a great job helping me clean my hair. So I would highly recommend this shampoo if you have not tried it out yet. It did such a good job. Like, I did not want to stop massaging my scalp with this shampoo because it just felt so amazing. So Cream of Nature, if you guys are watching this, if y'all are watching this, y'all did that with the shampoo and the pre-shampoo clay mask as well. So I went ahead and rinsed the shampoo out of my hair after I felt like my hair was clean, and this is my hair, nice and voluminous, soft, and all of that. So then I went in with the matching conditioner. This is from the same clay and charcoal line, and you guys, this conditioner was just as amazing as the shampoo and just as amazing as the pre-shampoo. When I tell y'all that Cream of Nature did a ting or two with this collection, they did a ting or two. If you tried it out before, comment down below and let us know how amazing it is, because y'all, when I say they put their foot in it, they put their foot in it. So I went in and applied the conditioner throughout my hair. This conditioner did have a lot of slip, and I feel like it did a great job softening my hair and just prepping my hair for the detangling steps that I did afterwards. Once again, scent wasn't too strong, but it just smelled very clean. Now I'm going in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and I'm going to go ahead and detangle my hair. I already fingered detangle when I did the pre-shampoo, and after I shampooed my hair, I did go in and just finger detangle a little, but I just had to pull the brush out to make sure that all of the knots and tangles were gone. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, Felicia Leatherwood is the GOAT when it comes to a brush for natural hair. So if you never tried it out before, I'll have the link down below. It is available on Amazon, and she does come in different colors, so that she gives the girls flavors. So if you never tried this brush before, I would highly recommend to try it out. It makes wash day so much easier. So after I went ahead and detangle, I went ahead and rinsed the conditioner out, and my hair just felt so good. So now I'm going to go in with the deep conditioner, and I chose to use my Indulge deep conditioner from Miche Beauty. This is one of my all-time favorites deep conditioners. She does an amazing job adding moisture to the hair, which is exactly what I needed after having a protective style in my hair for almost a month. And she smells amazing. She smells like Kenzie. So I had to bring her out. But yeah, if y'all watch my channel, y'all know how I feel about this deep conditioner, okay? And I just went ahead and made sure I applied a sufficient amount, just because, as I mentioned, my hair has been away for a month. So I just wanted to make sure she got the TLC she needed. So I let that deep conditioner sit in my hair for 30 minutes as I did my shower routine. And after 30 minutes, I did come back to rinse that deep conditioner out of my hair. And you guys, before I even rinsed it out, my hair was feeling so good. But after I rinsed it out, my hair was on another level, okay? My hair was just like moisture present, volume present, all of that present. So now I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into quads once again, because guess what we're going to do now? Guess what we finna do now? If y'all know me, y'all know that after I deep condition and before I step my big toe out of the shower, what do I do? Comment right now and let me know. But I'm going to go in and apply my leave-in conditioner. I'm using my TGIN Miracle Repair X Protective Leave-In Conditioner. This has been one of my favorite leave-in conditioners since I did sponsor content with TGIN. If you guys have never tried TGIN products before, I highly recommend this product. If you guys have never tried this product before, I highly recommend this product. I'm almost done with my first jar, first can, first bottle of this leave-in conditioner is so amazing. It smells good. It moisturizes the hair so well. It's just the GOAT when it comes to leave-in conditioner. So if you never tried her out before, try her out. You will not be disappointed. They got it in TJ Maxx too. So if you're trying to save a little coin, check out your local Marshalls or TJ Maxx, because I've been seeing them in there, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair into a braid after I apply the leave-in conditioner, just because it helps to protect my hair and save it from getting tangled up between me stepping out of the shower and styling my hair. So this is just another quick tip. If you have thick hair, if you got coarse hair, if you have unruly hair just like me, after you apply your leave-in conditioner, put your hair in like a little bun, put your hair in a couple of buns, put your hair in some braids, put your hair in one braid, just to make sure that your hair stays nice and detangled before you go in and do your styling to your hair. So after I applied 4 braids to my hair, yeah, my hair was feeling so good. I was honestly impressed by this little combo that I whipped up today. I wasn't even expecting for things to go like this, but the fact that they went like this, I'm here for it, because my hair was, y'all see that at the beginning of this video, okay? So after I applied my leave-in conditioner and applied those 4 braids to my hair, it was time to step out of the shower and get into the styling parts of this wash and style day routine situation. So I got out the shower, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my hair into quads, just because once again it makes it easier to make sure that all bases of the head are covered, that product is evenly distributed, that twists are nice and symmetrical, that twists are actually being twisted, you know what I'm saying? Because leave it up to me, I'm leaving a piece or two out if I can't see it. I don't know about y'all, but that's what I be doing. So I just like to separate my hair into quads using my butterfly clips. So today we're using my Maui Moisture Curl Foam Mousse. I actually did some sponsored content with this product, and when I tell you guys that I have been in love with this mousse since I did that sponsored content, they did their thing with this mousse. First of all, I barely use mousses to do a twist out. Y'all know me, I love a cream, I love a butter. But I was like, let me go ahead and try this mousse and do a twist out. And you guys, when I tell y'all that my hair was nice and moisturized, my hair was nice and voluminous, my definition was on point, I was honestly impressed by the performance of this product. So if you never tried this mousse before, I highly recommend to pick it up. It is available on Amazon. It is available on Ulta. And I believe it's available at Target. I'm not too no, Ulta, Amazon, and I'll just have the link down below just to make both of our lives easier, okay? But try it out. Amazing. Works well on type 4 hair. Did a great job adding shine, adding moisture, adding bounce, adding definition to my hair. And also it helps to reduce frizz or fight frizz throughout the day. And that is amazing for our hot girl summer that we have coming up. So if you're looking for a mousse to use in twist outs, if you're looking for a new mousse in general, I highly recommend to try this mousse out on your natural hair. Another thing that I noticed as I was applying the mousse to my hair before I did my twist is that my curls were popping. My curls are very much so popping. So I'm like, if I get this busting with the light hold gel, it could do a thing or two. So I think I'm going to try that out next. But yeah, this mousse did an amazing job. My twist out came out fire. When I was posting content on Instagram, y'all were going crazy. Y'all were like, girl, what product did you use? Because your hair looks so good. And I'm like, I can't tell y'all yet because it's sponsored content. I can't tell y'all yet. But when I tell y'all gotta get it. Y'all gotta get it. And y'all know I do not recommend nothing that's no foo-foo ting, okay? So yeah, this mousse did an amazing job. I just went in and did those twists, and this is what the first half of my head looked like. This is when I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be a good twist out. This is that, oh yeah, this twist out gonna be busting dance, because I realized at this very point that my hair was gonna come out popping and I was going to be the baddest of all, okay? So I went ahead and just finished those twists off. And you guys, when I was doing the second half of my head, it was a breeze, because I was like, yeah, I already know what type of timing my hair is about to be on, okay? So as expected, once I took my hair down and, you know, got everything together, I was looking like the baddest of all. So as you guys can see, my hair was nice and moisturized. My twists were popping, and I feel like when the ends coil up, that's low-key when I know how things are gonna go. If the ends don't coil up, that is the biggest red flag to tell me, like, girl, I'm sorry to break the news to you, but the hair not gonna be busting. It's not gonna be busting. But yeah, my hair looked so good. My hair felt so good. And yeah, so once I took my hair down, a couple of hours later, I just let my hair air dry. I didn't sit under a hooded dryer or anything. I just let it air dry, and this is what my hair was looking like. This is what my hair was looking like. And I posted a couple of videos with this hair, and you guys were like, girl, what did you use? What did you use? And here's the tea in this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this style of videos. I'm trying to like venture away from just doing like wash days and adding styling to it too. So let me know if you guys like this too. Let me know if you guys have any recommendations, anything on your minds. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up because that helps me out a lot. Drop a comment down below. Watch some of my other videos on my channel. I'm gonna just have them right here so I can make it nice and easy for you guys to check them out. And until my next video, which will be on Sunday, I got a vloggy vlog for y'all. So until then, I'll see you guys later. I love you guys so much.